Yeah, you would have.
No, I wouldn't have.
You're trying to get a travel trailer. Travel trailer, same issue. Same thing.
Look, we're gonna find out the hose won't reach anyway. It won't be done.
Is that the only hose?
Yeah.
I thought you have a long hose.
It gets long.
That's what she said.
Uh-oh. Nope. Alright, it's not happening.
Do you just want to back up and get a little closer? You want to undo it? I'll do that?
Sure, I want to see you do this.
Do you want to do it? What?
I don't want to do either. I don't want to do any of this. I'm only doing this because you made me do this. All of this whole situation is all you.
My whole life, I'm only doing it because you
Go ahead.
made me.
Good luck.
Hold on, baby.
You're gonna be hitting that wood soon. We're...
Can I make it worse?
I'll do that and you can drain this.
That's fine. You make me do all the gross, terrible things. I don't know why.
Gross.
Gross and terrible. You even made me have the kids.
Yeah, that was all me.
Damn, you make that look so easy. You make that look so easy. I hope our kids aren't being murdered in the bathroom right
I
now.
hope not as well.
Steven! Are you guys okay? Do you have your sister? Lynn? Lynn! I think I just heard it.
There you go.
Okay.
You know, I'll move it up that extra foot. Make it
I don't think it's
perfectly
going to make
center.
a huge difference. I don't know what I'm doing. It's disgusting. This one has a W written on it, and this one has an S. What the hell does that stand
Shit.
for? Shit and water?
Maybe. I don't know.
Can you try to call Jason and find out which one's which?
Just put the hose in and...
But you're supposed to rinse the hose with the gray water.
Oh, that smells awful.
If we rinse this hose with black water, it's going to be bad. It's going to be really bad. God,
Hey guys, are y'all okay? Steven, Lynn.
I heard Steven a minute ago.
I think the back one
So
is
do I
what...
just hold this on?
I think the back one, yeah, hold it tight. I think the back one is the one with the boot.
They're okay.
Okay.
All right, you think this one is Blackwater?
Yeah.
Probably.
Just against the water.
Am I supposed to like do it
This
multiple
might be your
times?
cousin's, huh?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to do it like
What
multiple
are they?
times?
I don't know, just pull it back. It's clear, you're good.
Okay.
What are our cousins?
I don't know.
Who are you talking to right here?
All right, nothing's even coming out of this one.
Ew, Lynn, move. Look out. Watch out.
So maybe the gray water is empty.
Maybe?
Ah.
I was kind of surprised because we ran the sink and stuff with that guy. Maybe it has to
Not
be
much
like.
so.
I was like,
Yeah.
maybe it has to be enough. Okay.
What water?
Now what do I do with this?
Take it off, rinse it out, and collapse it.
Why am I doing this? I got a little on my toe.
You got shower and sink water on you?
I think I got pee on me.
It's better than poop.
Tomorrow it's
Somebody's
gonna be
pooped in it.
poop.
Yep.
Remember how I told you not to walk in this area? This is why you don't walk in this area. Please pull my sleeve up, somebody. Somebody pull my sleeve up. Stop!
Thought you might want me to rinse it for you.
You can rinse it for me, but don't spray me.
No.
Whoa!
No, I meant rinse.
Oh, my toe?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
No. Nope.
How do you use it?
I barely touched it and it all came out. Stop.
Give it to me.
Stop.
Someone give it to me.
I don't want you to blame me for this.
Oh no, Lynn.
I can't hold the bottom down, too.
Lynn. What? Lynn. What?
Alright, I guess that's good.
They're gonna drop pee and poop right there.
Watch out, guys.
Put it on you.
Water! Wet.
Here's the gross part too. So I gotta throw that in the bed of the truck where a cooler and all that other stuff is.
Mom! Can we get some soda? Mom, let's get soda.
So I twist
No,
this
we're not
part.
getting soda.
Please.
No.
Have them putting this part in the bag here,
And then?
right?
And then you just toss this wherever.
Yeah.
No, there's
That's what
caps.
we're gonna play.
So when I do here, is I put one of the caps on, and then I push the
Okay,
other
play
end
hide and
flat
seek.
as much as possible
Yeah. Okay.
to seal the
Good.
air so it doesn't expand.
Do they not have a trash can over here for this one?
Guess not.
There has to be a trash can, right? Gerb? Don't stir something. Oh, don't stir something.
Yeah, with her.
Pretty sure I did. I mean, it looks close to me. If you guys want to sit in the bed of the truck, that's fine with me, because our campsite's right around the corner. Oh, guys, this is a bad idea.
Get inside the car. Y'all have to buckle up. Get in the car.
All right, get in the car, but no buckles.
I don't.
Climb inside, then.
Wait, Daddy, wait.
Come on, let's climb in. Do no buckles. Ooh, don't sit on that cord.
No, I want to get here.
You got it?
It recorded us leaving.
I know. Is it still recording?
Yeah. It's been recording for 13 minutes and 19 seconds.
We forgot.
Well, almost 19.